I had a viewer say, Mr. Jeff, I am having some serious problems with odors in my bathroom. I have cleaned them, but they still smell like urine. What do I do? Help! Right up under your urinals on the bottom side and up under your commodes on the bottom side, urine tends to get dripped and up under there. And sometimes when you're cleaning, these may get neglected. So it's a real good idea just when you spray your bathrooms down to spray the outside of your urinals really good up under your urinals. And also spray your commodes the same way up under the bottom sides of your commodes, around behind. And then you want to take a coalizer. Coalizer is my biological favorite odor control that I like to use. It says 2 to 6 ounces per gallon. When in this little bucket right here, I'm using right at 2 ounces added with water. And then I'm just going to scrub the outside of my urinals with it with a bow brush. Get up under that lip really good, up under the back sides really good. Going to do the same thing with my commodes. I'm going to get up under the edges behind my commode and just really scrub that really good, because that's where that odor can be. And it's a coalizer with a good bacteria, and it's going to kill that bad bacteria. It's wonderful stuff. You can use something like vinegar or something like that as well, but I prefer this product. Now with my bow brush that I use inside my urinals and commodes, I just go ahead and use the rest of the Bibo on the inside of my urinals and commodes since I've already got it mixed up, why not go ahead and use it? Then I just take me a paper towel, or you can take your microfiber, whichever you prefer to use, and wipe the outside of my urinals and commodes down and get them nice and dry. The bio product is still on there, but I'm just wiping off the excess to keep from leaving spots. Now I have 6 ounces of the coalizer mixed up in a mop bucket, and I just mop my whole bathroom floor with this to help get in the grout and leave it good and wet. You can slosh this around like stripper and leave it, but I really don't like doing that because it kind of leaves a film on your floor. Then I just take what's left over and pour it down my drain. Just go ahead and treat that drain while I'm at it. So, you got to check up under them urinals, around the commodes, around those lips of those commodes and different things like that. Treat those drains. Check this video right here about me treating drains in my bathrooms. That is a good thing to do also. So, JWG District, I hope that answered your question. I hope that helps with your boy's stinky bathroom. Some of them things, it's just my opinion, things that's definitely worked for me over the years. Have a great day.